Getting a trade alert is easy. Understanding why you should take that trade is the hard part. A lot of traders jump between random alert channels, copy entries without understanding the setup, and when a trade goes against them, they're left wondering what they missed. That's exactly where OurWall's options traders comes in. Instead of simply telling you when to buy or sell, OurWall's gives you more context around the trade, combining real-time alerts, market analysis, education, trading tools, and an active Discord community in one place. You get daily options and stock trade ideas, including contract details, expiration dates, technical levels, and stop-loss information, so you can see more than just a simple entry on a chart. You can also track unusual options activity with AI-powered tools, access training courses for different experience levels, and follow pre-market and post-market analysis from OWLS analysts. And when a setup appears, alerts are delivered in real time through Discord, covering options, spreads, and common stock, with opportunities designed for different account sizes. The idea isn't simply to give you another signal to copy. It's about giving you the alerts, analysis, education, and community that can help you better understand the trades you're looking at and make more informed decisions. And instead of having to look for separate communities, tools, educational resources, and market analysis, OWLs brings many of these resources together in one place. You can start with a limited free option, get full access for $59.99 every 4 weeks, or choose the lifetime plan for $1,999.99. Of course, the right option depends on how seriously you want to use the platform and which features you actually need. OWLs also has a 4.9 out of 5 rating from more than 2,000 reviews on Whop, giving you plenty of feedback from existing members. So if you're tired of jumping between random signals and want more context behind the trades you follow, take a look at everything OWLS offers and see if it fits your trading style. Check out OWL's options traders through the link below.